What's up, traders? I want to show you guys what was the best indicator on TradingView, but it's now even better because we actually released an update making it incredibly more accurate on the signals that it gives. Also, we even developed a brand new indicator that's never been seen before, and I want to show you guys in this video exactly what it does and how to use it. But before I show you these indicators, you have to promise me you watch the entire video because these indicators are so powerful when used correctly. They can absolutely dramatically increase your win rate to above 70%. And when it comes to Forex stocks or crypto trading, you know that a 70% win rate is actually astronomical and it's very, very hard to get. So I'm going to show you guys in this video these two indicators I'm talking about, and I'm going to show you exactly how you guys can use them so you guys can put them into your own trades and increase your win rate and become a better trader. Okay, so these are the two indicators that I am talking about right here, guys. We have Elite Algo version 27, our newest version. I'm going to show you guys the difference between 26 and 27 in this video. And we have our brand new Elite Oscillator Pro down here, guys. So what we're going to do is we're going to start off with Elite Algo version 27. So for now, we're going to close this. But we're going to come back and talk about this as soon as we're done talking about Elite Algo and explain exactly what this is, how to use it, and all the above. So we're going to close this for now. And for now, we're just going to talk about Elite Algo, the indicator you see on the chart right here. Okay, so first we're going to talk about what this indicator actually is and what it does. What this indicator is a toolkit that's used for trading any different type of style that you can think of. It is helpful for scalpers, intraday traders, and swing traders. It is very helpful in determining the trend, and for traders who like trading price action or supply and demand, this indicator can be used as a confirmation for their analysis. It has a lot of features we're just going to go over right now. All right, so let's get into the indicator. To pull up the settings for the indicator to explain the features, all we got to do is simply just right-click any of the signals and click on settings. Or if we close this again, we can just go over here to the gear icon and click that. It's very simple. Next, over here, we're not going to have a crazy deep explanation because I have its own video that's about 40 minutes long explaining every single feature in detail. Well, I'm just going to give a little bit of an overview right now. So the first section over here is the settings for the buy and sell signals that you see on the chart. These buy and sell signals can be changed to give you faster or slower signals depending on how much confirmation you would like to have when you're trading. So the lower this number that you see right here, the faster the signals are going to be given, and the higher number that you see right here, the slower the signals are going to be given, but they're going to have more confirmation, so they're more likely to be a little bit more accurate and give you less false signals. But again, if you have a higher sensitivity right here, what's going to happen is you might not catch the move all the way at the top like you see right here. Instead, you'd catch the move maybe halfway through over here, which is still good because you can still make a lot of money trading that way. But if you're the type of person that wants absolute sniper entries, then what you want to have is you want to have a slightly slower sensitivity over here under the signal tuner. Next, guys, you have the Elite tuner. What this does is it automatically recommends a sensitivity for you based on your trading style. So you'd have your short-term trader, mid-term trader, and long-term trader. So if you're a swing trader, you can click long-term. If you're more of an intraday trader, you click mid-term. But if you want quick scalps in the market and you want to get these highs and lows as good as possible, then you can go short-term trader right here and just make sure that you have this selected. Next, this here is a setting for trending signals only. So what this does is when you click this on, it's going to void out any signals that's not given in a trending state. So we only want signals that happen when the market is trending. And as you can see, by clicking this on, it removed a lot of signals from our charts, signals that were happening during ranging conditions. So for example, if we click this back off, we can see that we got these signals right here when the market was a little bit in a range, as indicated also by the purple candles, as you can see. But if we turn this back on again, it's going to void out these signals and give us signals that are only in trending market conditions, which will also increase our win rates, especially when we're just relying on the indicators and signals themselves. Next, guys, is we have all the overlays for the indicator. So over here, we have 12 overlays that we can use. These are all tools that can give us confirmations or give us information about what's happening on the chart at that current time or even in past history. So right now we have the candle colors checked on. What this does is it simply just changes the colors to green when the momentum is high and red when the momentum is bearish. So to reiterate that, guys, again, the candle colors feature, what it does is it gives you green candles when the price is very bullish and red candles when the price is very bearish. but it also changes your candles to purple if you are in a ranging market. So typically when you're trading, especially if you're a new trader, you do not want to trade in ranging markets. So you want to make sure that if you see purple candles, then you don't want to be trading at that time because the price is extremely choppy and will not go up or go down. Next up, guys, another feature that I like a lot is the reversal band. So by clicking this on, it's going to turn on reversal bands on our chart. And this kind of tells you where the price currently is. Is it a little bit overbought? Is it a little bit oversold? You can use this as a confirmation for your analysis as well to know that is the price going to fall between these levels that you see on the top and on the bottom. Now, next up, we also have the trend cloud. This is kind of a tool that will give you an idea if you're in a bearish or bullish market state. As you can see, green obviously means you're very bullish and red means you're a little bit bearish. Again, I'm not going to go over every single feature that it has because it have its own separate video that's about 40 minutes long. If you guys want to watch that, I'm going to link it right up there or down in the description down below, whichever I do at the end of the video. Just go ahead and check that out. So next up, guys, another feature that I personally use every single time I trade personally is the Elite order blocks, guys. It looks just like this, and I'll explain it to you very, very simply. So below the candles will be a supply area and above the candles will be a demand area. But not only that, it also tells you exactly if it's more bearish or bullish volume inside these areas. So for example, if the price were to go up over here into this area, this is way more bearish than bullish. So if the price were to go up and touch that, there's a very, very good chance the price drops back down. That's exactly how you use it. So over here, we see that we had an order block. The price came back down. It touched it. It reversed up. And we saw that the volume over here is a lot more bullish than bearish, indicated by the green and red bars inside of the order block. So moving away again from all these overlays, the Elite order blocks, we have the Elite volume profile. This again, it just gives you a kind of more of a different type of resistance and support levels on your charts. Very, very simple to use, as well as auto support resistance. We even have auto trend lines. So this will actually draw up trend lines on your chart just like this, so you know exactly what's happening. Again, swing highs, swing lows, trend scalper, trend helper. These are confirmation tools that you can use for the signal. So by turning on the trend helper, we can see that if we have, for example, a smart sell and the line is already red, it's going to give us a confirmation for a trade, which is indicated actually with the star system that we have here. So the higher the numbers that we get inside of the signals, the better confirmations it has. So for example, this one here had 3 confirmations that the price was going to drop, and that's why the price went pretty well how it did. And this one only had 1 confirmation, so the price wasn't going to go as high as, for example, the other indicators that have the higher confirmations. Also, you have regular buy and smart buy, indicated by where it says smart or buy or sell. You can see right here. So for example, we have smart buy over here and we have smart sell over here. We have a regular sell and a regular buy right there. A smart buy and a smart sell just basically means that it has a stronger momentum, so it's more likely to hit your take profits. That's why you'd want to trade it. Next, guys, we have the risk management sections inside of Elite Algo. So for example, by turning this on, it's going to start to recommend our stop loss and our take profits for our trades. We can have up to 3 take profit levels, and we can also select if we want a normal, tight, or large stop loss for our trade. So if you want a smaller stop loss, then simply just leave it on tight like I do. But if you want a larger one, like you can see right here, it's going to give you a much larger stop loss for your trades when you're trading. Very, very simple. You can also do a trailing stop loss, and then you can give it kind of percentage of how far back do you want the stop loss to be away from the candles for the trailing stop loss. Next, guys, we have the market panel over here. With the market panel, guys, this gives us information. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger by going to the large size. And as you can see, guys, this is the information we give us. So first, we have our time frames on the left. There are 5, 15, 30, 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour, and the daily time frame. If it's green, that means that time frame is currently very bullish. If it's red, that means that time frame is bearish. Now, ideally, when you're trading, you want the time frames to match up. So for example, if you're on the 1 hour time frame and you're looking to trade and you're looking to take a buy signal, you would want it to be at the very least, a green 1 hour time frame. But ideally, you would like it all to be green when you're trading. This just gives you more confirmations again for your trades making it so you know exactly what's going to happen in the market, and you're trading with a trend, so you increase your win rates, and that's how you can get that 70 to 80% win rate that I was talking about at the beginning of the video. Next, guys, again, it shows you your settings, your selected mode, your market state. Right now, we are trending. Market volatility, it's very high right now. Smart money, there's a lot of smart money inside of the chart that we're trading. The current session, so if we're trading Forex, it will tell you if you're in the New York session, London, and all the other sessions like Sydney's and the Japanese session. Next, guys, you have your auto tuner. So this will give you kind of like the optimum sensitivity that you should be selecting based on the auto tuner modes that you have right here. So if I had this on short term, then this will change as well. So your optimal sensitivity for this chart would be 2.3. Right now we are on 2. Very, very simple to use. Next, guys, we have this right here, the any alert function call. This is used to create alerts for your trades inside TradingView for whatever you want. So if you have, for example, if you want an alert for buy signals and smart buy signals, and then you want to also give you the take profit, stop loss, and all that other stuff, then basically you select what you want, press OK, and then you're going to go right click on signal, add alert. You're going to go any function call, and then just press create, and that's going to give you an alert for the settings that you applied earlier inside of the settings for Elite Algo down here. Or what you can do is, instead of using the function call, you can just simply pick one of these alerts that you have. So for example, you can create an alert for every single time any signal has been given, and you can make once per bar close, for example, type them in a message, up to you. You can do alerts for all these different things that you see right here. So for example, if an order block has been touched, then you can make an alert for that. So you can go into the chart, see the order block being touched, and decide if you want to sell or if you want to buy around that area. And this could be also used if you want to automate Elite Algo using a program like 3 Commas or Pine Connector, for example. Now, before we move on to the Elite Oscillator Pro, I want to show you guys the updated accuracy for the buy and sell signals for version 27 versus version 26. If you've used Elite Algo in the past and didn't use it as much as you'd like because you didn't like the signals, well, the signals now are incredibly more accurate. So this right here, we're going to turn it on. This is the Elite Algo version 26. So just take a look at the candles now, take a look at the signals that was given. And now you can see these are the same exact settings on the previous Elite Algo. So this has a lot more signals, but it's a lot more cluttered. There's a lot more false signals on the chart. And as you can see, guys, if we go into the settings, we have the same exact settings. So we have a 2 sensitivity here, right? We minimize that, we turn this on, and we turn it back on, and we see we have a 2 sensitivity. So just based on the difference here of these trades, you can see which one is obviously better. 27 is miles ahead. We improved the signals tremendously. So if you guys want to give this a try and you've tried Elite Algo in the past but didn't like it for the buy and sell signals, now it's much more accurate. So you guys can go ahead and check that out. Again, check it out, because I promise you these signals are absolutely insane. All right, guys, enough about this. Let's talk about the Elite Oscillator Pro. All right, guys, so here it is on our charts. What we're going to do now is we're going to talk about how to use it and exactly what it does. And I'm going to explain that this indicator can be used with Elite Algo in conjunction, or also be used by itself, guys, if you just want to use it itself, if you like trading the price action way when you're trading Forex, crypto, or stocks. But let's dive into it. Let's look at it. So we have obviously the 2 main things for this indicator, the green zone and the red zone. So I'm going to go ahead and just make this indicator bigger so you kind of see it on the screen, guys. So over here, we have the green zone and the red zone. What these zones represent is a oversold and overbought area, but also with a very strong trend. So for example, if you see that the blue line right here, this is the price line inside the oscillator, breaks below this line, then it is considered a oversold area. But as long as this line is below the 30 line, it is also in a strong trending state. So for example, over here, if we were to make this slightly smaller again, we can see that the price actually broke this line around this area, and it stayed in a very strong trending state up until the line broke above the 30 level again, right over here. So knowing this would help us understand that we are actually in a very strong trend. So we could look for opportunities for sells in that area. And then we could look for an opportunity for a buy when the price breaks above this 30 line right here, obviously using other confirmations as well in our trades. Same thing for the bullish section, guys. So if the price breaks above the 70 level over here, it's going to give us a green trend. They're going to show us over here that inside of this trend, we had a very strong bullish area over here before the price started to become bearish again. And we can see this again happen over here, where it told us that the price became overbought right there, but it stayed very strong and trending until this area over here. So we had a strong trend in this area. We could have had buy opportunities there as well for a trade. And again, over here, the price went below the 30 line, and then gave us a oversold area where the price was extremely oversold from over here to over here. But we can see that the indicator gave us a strong direction of trend with the red and green zones that we see right here on the trade. So again, guys, you can use these green and red zones for two different types of way. You can understand overbought and oversold levels and look for reversals, or you can also look for very strong trends and hop on that trend in your trades when you're trading. Next, guys, if we look also, there's other things going on inside the oscillator. So we have as you can see here, it looks like a pink bar, but it's actually small dots when you zoom in very, very closely. What these represent is actually very high volatility in the market. It means that the price can be swinging in an upwards or downwards direction very, very strongly, as indicated over here with the candles going down pretty significant amount, starting over here, ending to around there. Next, guys, we have the orange dots. This represents a squeeze. So what a squeeze is when the candles are kind of ranging or consolidating inside a small area. And then usually what happens after a squeeze, there is a little bit of a breakout. So you guys can understand that and look for breakouts that way by using the orange squeezes in the market. So for example, over here, we have 4 orange dots. And at the end of the dot, we can see that the price started breaking down towards the bearish side right up here. As soon as that was, I'll show you guys with the vertical line. You see the price start breaking down to the bottom here, following a squeeze. Very, very simple to use. Again, very effective though. We also have the green and red dots that you see right up here. These just indicate candles with a strong bullish or bearish volume. So that can also help you understand if there is a very big volume on a bullish candle or a bearish candle. And again, you can use that in your trades to understand whether you should get in, get out, or continue trading if you're still in that trade at that time. So that's pretty much the settings for this. You can also change the settings a little bit for the overbought, oversold areas. So 70 would be overbought, 30 would be oversold. But if you want to be a little bit more strict on the rules for that, you can again just decrease that to 20 and then increase this to 80, and it will give you a much harder overbought or oversold area for the price to reach. And then that can give you maybe a little bit better of a reversal signals if that's how you're looking to use it. And you can kind of customize and play around with the settings here for the oscillator. That's pretty much it for the 2 new updates. I hope you guys like it. If you guys like this video, again, all you got to do is hit that like button and comment down below if you have any questions. I'm going to answer every single question that's left down in the comments below. So if you're curious about something or you just have a question to ask, go ahead and do that and I will give you a reply. And obviously, if you guys want to use these indicators right here that I just showed you, they are not free. They are not available on the TradingView public library. You will not find them if you go into indicators and then start searching for Elite Algo or Elite Oscillator, because they are private indicators and you have to be invited to use them. But in order to be invited to use them is actually extremely simple. All you got to do is just head over to our website, elitesignals.com, and simply just sign up on our website here for access to the indicators, as you can see over here. And not only that, guys, once you sign up for this, you also get access to our Discord server, where we have a bunch of things like free Forex courses, free crypto courses that's coming soon, and a stock course that's coming soon. So if you're looking to learn Forex for the first time, we have a course that will teach you everything from A to Z, and it's completely free, absolutely no charge for that. So just come into our Discord server and watch our course. We also have rooms, again, where you can go make friends, ask questions, share trading ideas, etc. And we also give signals every single day inside of our Discord server. We have 20 pro analysts that give you signals for Forex, crypto, and stocks. So for example, over here, this is one of our best analysts, Cesar right here. He gave us a trade today at 11 a.m., told us to sell CAD JPY. And as you can see, it hit profit and we made over 30 pips for any one of our members who copied his trade. And that's absolutely amazing. If you're a beginner, again, you're looking to learn how to trade, you can copy these signals and make money while you learn before you can actually start trading yourself full time. And again, to join the Discord server, very simple. Just go up here to where it says join Discord, click that, and that's it. It's going to bring you inside of our Discord server that easily. So again, if you guys like this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and comment down below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.